Good afternoon. Welcome to Webb County Court at Law 2. I'm Victor Villarreal, judge of your Webb County Court at Law 2. This is the probate, guardianship, and civil docket for Thursday, January 8th, 2026. The time is now 2:06. Court is now in session. Assisting us today are Cecia Rodriguez, court administrator and interpreter. Ms. Gloria Noriega is the court coordinator. Video conference co-hosts this afternoon include Ms. Flores, Mr. Cordova, Ms. Rodriguez, Ms. Cuellar, Mr. Hernandez, Ms. Rivera. These proceedings are being electronically recorded. Everyone is instructed not to record any portion of these proceedings. Only a court reporter may provide the official record. As with all proceedings, violation of these instructions are subject to contempt hearings. If you're joining us online, you're instructed to act as though you were in court, because you are in court. The rule here is simple. If you would not do it in person, don't do it online. For example, do not operate a motor vehicle. There's no smoking, no chewing gum. Wear appropriate clothing, and always exercise proper courtroom decorum. The court will now call the cases in the order of appearance of counsel, first those in person and then those online, as measured by your login times. Ms. Noriega.
First in person, Your Honor, is Counsel Juan Hernandez. And Mr. Hernandez is on page 3, number 6.
Excuse me, American Express National Bank versus Cesar Cabello, also known as Cesar J. Cabello, cause number 2024 CVF 70L2. Good afternoon, Mr. Hernandez.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Court marks you present in person. Jonetta Lang,
What?
are you?
William Wells for American Express, Your Honor, for Miss Lang.
Mr. Wells, welcome to court. The court marks you present. You're participating by video conference. Cesar Cabello or any other person. Is any other person present on this case?
Mr. Cabello should be here, Judge. Should be.
Court marks no other persons present in person or by video conference. Mr. Wells, Mr. Hernandez, what is the announcement?
Your Honor, just a little house cleaning issues. I have federal court at 3 o'clock. So if we're gonna have a trial, I guess we have to wait until the federal court. The other thing is that I've been engaged with someone, and I don't know, it's not Mr. Wells. I don't know who it is, Judge. But we have been exchanging agreements and disagreements and all that. And this morning we sent out our counter to their agreement. This case has been on for this court, I think it's since April of 2024.
No, yes, but it looks like August.
More or less. So, and the court ordered us to go to mediation, and I think they said, no, mediation is too expensive. It's not worth it. So then we started trying to negotiate.
Who said no?
Mr. Wells probably knows.
Mr. Wells, did someone refuse to go to mediation?
I'm not aware of that, Your Honor. Usually if there's an issue like that, they'd file a motion with the court to ask the court to not order mediation, but I'm not familiar with this specific case.
Well, I don't think, well, I was going to make a comment on the mediation, but if you're not knowledgeable on this case, are you making an appearance here today?
No, I'm not. I'm knowledgeable in the case. I don't know about the mediation issue that defense counsel discussed.
Well, so let me apprise you, and this should be clear on the record. So the court ordered mediation. That mediation was to take place last year, and the orders for that were due on November 24th, 2025. And in review for the hearing today, nobody filed those orders. And now I guess I'm learning now on the record that nobody even went to mediation. I know that it's good that there's now communication and discussion, but that probably wouldn't be the case had the parties actually followed the court's orders and gone to mediation. So, Mr. Hernandez, but you're an officer of the court, and you're telling the court that you wanted to go to mediation, but somebody on behalf of the plaintiff said no?
Well, they said that the mediator charged a little too much. And that was my point with them. You know, this guy cannot pay. And if we're gonna go and have a trial,
But whatever I mean, and I don't know what senior judge Oscar Hill charges or not. I don't know if it's a high amount, low amount, or anything in between, but it wasn't discretionary on any party or litigant or lawyer to say, I mean, I guess it would have been discretionary at the time that the court made an order or rendition to go, but there was no objection, as I recall. So, so you're telling the court today that the parties haven't gone to mediation.
No. And again, Judge, I think that they suggested a mediator for I don't know, like $300. But that didn't travel very far. So right now, we have been negotiating, and I don't know if, and again, I guess, Mr. Welch, you can tell me whether we turn our mediation and offer it to counter offer to your office or to somebody else.
Well, let me ask you this. So you're set for a bench trial. This isn't the first or second time. Mr. Wells, are you ready to go forward today?
We're ready to go forward, Judge, but if the defense counsel would like to go to mediation and the court would like us to do that, we'd be more than happy to get that worked out.
If you're ready today, who are your witnesses?
The business record affidavit, Judge. It was filed with the court on, let's see. May 21, 25, I believe.
Response, Mr. Hernandez.
I didn't hear what you said.
So Mr. Wells has announced ready, and he doesn't need any witnesses. He's going to rely solely and exclusively on a business records affidavit.
Well, Judge, we have no other choice. I mean, we'll try the case too. It's just a matter of me having to go to court, federal court, and come back. Just need some time. Either that, or we can try the mediation where they're suggesting, and maybe we can reach out an agreement. Maybe they'll send us an agreement. See what the main issue right now is that there is a set amount. It's $28,000. They want this to be paid within 60 months. But you can do it. So what's the purpose and what's the point of going to trial and spending more money when it probably wouldn't work? And this way, we reach an agreement, at least they both reach that agreement so that they could, hopefully they get paid. And hopefully my client is somewhat happy because he did what he had to do.
Mr. Wells, I'm very inclined just to send you all back. Well, not back, to send you, refer you to mediation. Any thoughts, comments?
We have no objection, Your Honor. There's no objection.
All right, the parties are ordered definitively to mediate this case with Senior Judge Oscar Hale, unless there's a valid and reasonable lodged and written objection. You're to do that on or before March 13th. And you're going to come back for a final hearing on March 17th at 2 p.m. This case is set for dismissal on March 19th at 2. All right. Anything else on this case, Mr. Wells?
Judge, could I confirm the dates with you? I believe you said to mediate on or before March 13th, and it'd be reset at March 17th at 2. And what was the last date?
March 19th at 2. It's set for dismissal.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Anything else on this case, Mr. Hernandez?
Not on this case, Judge.
Any other cases for Mr. Wells?
Not today, Judge.
Have a good day, Mr. Wells.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
This is Robert William Slaughter versus Mexico Moving Company, LLC, 2023 CVI 1507C3. Court marks Mr. Hernandez present in person. Elisimar Soto, Alexander Gilbert, Robert Slaughter, or any other person. Any other person present?
Ms. Soto.
Ms. Soto, Your Honor, I'm on Zoom.
Ms. Soto, welcome to court. The court marks you present. You're participating by video conference. Any other person, party, litigant, or counsel present? Court finds no other persons are present. This is a...
Judge, this is a hearing on my motion to withdraw as counsel. This court knows I have filed it. We kind of made up, and I'm gonna stay in.
Okay.
So
I saw it. Yeah, and the reason I said it, Mr. Hernandez, because I just thought it was odd. There was a motion for leave, and then there was the withdrawal, but then there was a subsequent filing. So I just wanted to clear this so that we know what to expect at the next hearing.
Yeah, because I think that the trial on the merits was very close to uh, my request to withdraw, and I've already told him, and I'm telling the court, I'm staying until the end.
Sure, sure. All right, so council has abandoned the motion. So the court granted leave, but abandoning the motion to withdraw. Ms. Noriega, remind me the scheduling order on this case.
So we do have, motion for reconsideration. Is that what you're asking for?
Oh, I see. So the dates on this case are the reconsideration on January 13th, then the final pretrial, which includes the traditional and no evidence motion for summary judgment on February the 3rd, and then the final hearing, should we get that far, on March 17th at 2?
Correct.
All right.
And we're also set.
And Your Honor,
Mediation.
When is mediation taking place?
so Your Honor, if I may speak on that, the court gave us a court ordered deadline of January 31st or January 30th, I'm sorry. I've already responded to Judge Hale's availability. Can make them available on the 15th and on the 26th. We're just waiting on Mr. Hernandez's client's response.
I think we did that already, Judge, but we have those 2 days available.
Well, I certainly wish both sides the best and good well wishes at mediation. Hopefully it gets resolved, and if it doesn't, we'll come back on the 3rd of February and we can finalize it then, or you can move on your motion for summary judgment, either one. All right, anything else on this case, Mr. Hernandez, Ms. Soto?
No, Your Honor, not for me.
Any other cases
No, Your
for
Honor.
either counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Hernandez, Ms. Soto, good to see you both. Have a great new year.
You too.
And Your Honor, I do have something further down the line.
Yes,
Thank you.
Page 1, number 2.
This is the estate of Elias Ibanez Flores, cause number 2021, PB 4109L2. Court marks Mr. Romero present in person, Ms. Soto present by video conference, although she's not a party, she's the court-appointed mediator. Ms. Lanessa Garcia is not present, but has filed a motion. Dinora Isabel Robles Brazaleta Mira Miramontes. Is any other person present? Court finds no other persons are present. Mr. Romero?
Your Honor, Ms. Garcia is under the weather and she filed a motion for continuance that I'm in agreement, Your Honor.
So continuance for final hearing. Ms. Noriega, give us a setting, please.
And how much time, Your Honor?
I was looking at the calendar. I think our next sittings are in March, are they not?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
March 17th at 2 p.m.
St. Patrick's Day at 2 p.m. All right. Any other cases for Mr. Romero or Ms. Soto? Go ahead. That is the estate of Juan Jose Trevino Gutierrez, cause number 2023, PB 498L2. Court marks Mr. Romero present in person, Ms. Soto present by video conference. Jonathan Garcia Davalos, are you present? Court marks counsel Garcia Davalos not present. Juan Jose Trevino Quintanilla, Jorge Alberto Gonzalez. Any other person present? Court finds no parties are present. Mr. Romero?
Your Honor, I filed the inventory appraisement and list of claims. I provided a copy to both counsel. They will review it, and if they have any objections or questions, I will look into it.
All right. Anything to note on this case, Ms. Soto?
No, Your Honor, that's correct. We did confer with Mr. Romero earlier regarding the inventory, as well as Ms. Garcia Davalos.
And it looks like it was filed on the 5th, so the court will wait a little bit more than a week, and if counsel doesn't file the any objections, then the court will sign off. All right. Any other cases for either counsel? All right. Good to see you, counsel. Have a great day.
Likewise, Your Honor.
Council Guillermo Garcia, page 1, number 1.
This is the estate of Ricardo Prida Barrio, cause number 2014, PB 910L2. Court marks Mr. Garcia present in person, Ms. Anderson present by video conference. Victor Villafranca, are you present? Court marks Mr. Villafranca not present. Are you Maite Prida?
Yeah, that's me. I'm present.
Ms. Prida, welcome to court. The court marks you present. by video conference. Are you Ricardo Prida? I'm going to ask that you unmute your device, please. We'll begin Spanish language interpretation now. Mr. Prida, I'm going to ask that you unmute your device, please.
¿Puede ponerle el micrófono a su aparato, señor Prida?
There's an unmute button. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Are you Ricardo Prida?
Yes, sir.
Welcome to court, Mr. Prida. The court marks you present and participating by video conference. As you can see and hear from your device, your lawyer is also present and participating by video conference. Is there any other person present on this case?
No.
Court marks no other persons present. Mr. Garcia, Ms. Anderson, go ahead.
Good afternoon, Judge. We have reached an agreement in this case. We did participate in mediation that resulted in an agreement. There were two heirs that did not participate in mediation. However, they agreed to the settlement agreement and they have signed off on our motion asking for the court to approve the settlement agreement and order the distribution of funds. In this case, Judge, there's only, the estate consists of only funds that are currently in the registry of the court. So the agreement breaks down how those monies are to be distributed, and they are itemized in our joint motion, Judge. I realized I had not filed an order. I had not prepared an order, so I went ahead and prepared the order already, and I have circulated it to counsel for their review prior to filing it today, Judge, but it's prepared.
Mr. Garcia.
Your Honor, she's correct. We settled at mediation. I have not had an opportunity to review her order, but I'm sure it's correct.
All right. I appreciate you both. I think you all know this, but just in case, I'll reiterate it on the record. So both clerks' offices, they don't alert courts in Webb County when motions or petitions are filed. They only advise of orders and fiat. So I'm happily surprised, I guess I want to say. All right, Ms. Noriega, would you give us an orders due date, please?
That'll be January 26th at 12 noon by submission.
Is that sufficient time, Ms. Anderson and Mr. Garcia?
I believe
Yes,
so.
Judge. Yes, the orders are prepared, so hopefully we're able to e-file them today, Judge.
If you need a setting, let the court know. We give this orders due date so that it doesn't fall off our radar for whatever reason. It gets rejected, it doesn't get sent or whatever. I can always reschedule it for hearing, but I will sign off on it as soon as it comes in. Ms. Prida, do you have any questions for the court?
sir, I just want this to be over. It's been way too long.
I understand and I agree.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Prida, do you have any questions for the court?
No questions, Your Honor.
Mr. and Mrs. Prida, I wish both you and all your family very well. Anything else on this case, Ms. Anderson, Mr.
Thank you,
Garcia?
sir.
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
It's good to see you both, counsel. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Thank you.
And I believe that's all I
Judge.
have, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
For 3.
This is in the interest of AC, cause number 2021 PBA 22L2, court marks Mr. Garcia present in person. Alicia Martinez, are you present? Court finds no other persons present. Mr. Garcia?
Your Honor, my client is present. Actually, the movement is the adult now. He's an adult now. He's on Zoom.
Oh, I see. Are you?
It's Anthony Coronado. He was the minor at the time the petition was filed, but he's now an adult.
Are you Anthony Coronado?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am.
Welcome to court, Mr. Coronado. The court marks you present and participating by video conference. As you can see, counsel Garcia is present in person. Mr. Garcia, go ahead.
Your Honor, I'd like to get some testimony from my client if I can have him placed under oath, please.
Sure. Mr. Coronado, would you raise your right hand?
Sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may lower your hand, Mr. Garcia.
Is your true and correct name Anthony Coronado?
Yes, sir.
And your father was Martin Juan Coronado, is that correct?
Yes.
And he passed away some years back, is that correct?
Yes.
And you're an heir of your father's and you were assigned an 8.325% interest in a piece of real property at the time of his passing. Is that correct?
Yes.
And back on in February of 2001, your mother, Miss Alicia Martinez, had requested that the court allow that your father's property be sold. Do you recall that, Mr. Coronado?
Yes, I do.
And do you remember that from the sale of that property, you were awarded a certain percentage of money from the sale of that property? Do you recall that?
Yes. Yes, I recall.
And at this time, you're requesting the court. Well, you are. What's your date of birth, Mr. Coronado?
10/31/2007.
And what is your age as of right now?
I am 18.
Mr. Coronado, you are asking the court to release the money that's in the registry of the court to your name now. Is that correct?
Yes.
Judge, I have nothing further. Just for I guess for the court's recollection, this is some years back. Mr. Coronado's father passed away intestate. They needed the property sold. We asked the court to sell the property. There's I believe, $3,996 in the registry of the court that we're asking to be released to Mr. Coronado. In the order, I included in there that the clerk's office, if the court approves the order, would withhold the $50 from that amount to pay for the release of the funds. And if the court approves it, I don't know what the procedures are at the clerk's office, but it would be easier if our office was able to pick it up. It does not need to be made out to our name, only to Mr. Coronado, but we'd like to be able to pick it up for him. So that it's difficult for him to move around right now, and so it's easier for him just to get to our office.
Sure.
So I don't know if that's possible or not, Judge.
In this case, cause number 2021 PBA 22L2, the court finds that it has jurisdiction. The court takes judicial notice of the entire case file. The court has now considered the motion to release funds and now also the testimony of Mr. Coronado. The court finds that he is entitled to the relief he is requesting. The court hereby orders the release of funds from the registry of the court. The court has signed off on the proposed order. The court is tendering the original to the clerk's office. And now I'll ask the clerk's office, now that that order has been signed, what process or procedure is there for that check pickup? May counsel pick it up?
Yes, he can.
Let me ask the clerk. Give me 1 second. Let me ask the clerk's office.
Yes, he can. All we need is to go ahead and draw the check.
Okay.
To write it.
All right.
No problem.
Mr. Coronado, so all that to say, just keep in contact with your lawyer and he will deliver that check to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
If I
Yes.
may just put something on the record,
Sure.
just to confirm that as per the clerk's notes, the monies in the registry of the court are just off by cents, and it's just 6 cents. So there's still 6 cents there aside from the amount that was written on the
Let me ask the
order.
clerk's office because I can just scratch it right now. If there's a small difference, it doesn't invalidate the court order, right? You'll just deliver what money is there. And is the amount higher or lower?
It's six more cents, Judge. I asked for a trial amendment if the court would
Yes.
grant the trial amendment.
Let me ask you, the clerk, I've edited it and initialed it. Is that sufficient? All right. Mr. Coronado, keep in contact with your lawyer. Do you have any questions for the court?
No, sir.
Anything else on this case, Mr. Garcia?
Nothing further, Judge.
Any other cases for Mr. Garcia? It's good to see you, counsel. Have a great year.
Second online, Your Honor's counsel, Tomar Soto, page 2, number 4.
This is in the estate of Maria Guadalupe Lopez, cause number 2022, PB4109L2. Court marks Ms. Soto present and participating by video conference. Jose Luis Castillo, are you present? Court finds Mr. Castillo not present. Patricia Garcia, Jesus Manuel Lopez. Any other person present? Or Olivero Canales, any person present?
Judge, that
Court
should have been Mr. Canales' client has already been disposed of, and Mr. Castillo was already at item.
Who was the ad litem?
Mr. Jose Luis Castillo?
Oh, I see. All
Yes,
right.
and the Lopez heirs are in my office in my conference room. I'll
So
have them.
what was the
turn on
announcement?
So the announcement is, Judge, you had ordered us to go to mediation on or before January 8th, which was yesterday. Unfortunately, we did contact Mr. Romero, but my dates and his dates did not coordinate well over the holidays and with this first week. So I wanted to ask the court if you can give us one more week to try to get that done.
That's exactly what the court needs to hear. There was affirmative work, there was diligence, but for things out of your control, the schedules didn't match up. How much time do you think it would take to pair up everybody's schedule?
So the parties, Judge, most of them are going to be attending either at my office here locally, or two of them are attending by Zoom, so they're flexible with their schedule. The issue just arose mostly with my schedule and Mr. Romero's schedule.
Right, so
So
do you
if
think,
we can get maybe 1 or 2 weeks at the most, Judge, so we can get it resolved before the end of the month.
all right, give us the very next setting, Miss Noriega, after 2 to 3 weeks?
Yes, Your Honor, that'll be, we can do February, Your Honor, February 5th.
Is a month enough time?
Yes, Your Honor, that's plenty of time.
February the 5th at,
10 a.m.
all right, we'll see you here at 10.
Got it. Thank you, Judge.
Any other cases for Ms. Soto? It's great to see you, counsel. Have a great year.
Great seeing you, Judge. Happy 2026, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Next on line is Council Armando Chavarria, page 3, number 8.
This is in the estate of Guillermo Antonio Cruz, cause number 2025 PB 934L2. Court marks Mr. Echavarria present and participating by video conference. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Monica Cruz Martinez, are you present?
I am. Hi, Your Honor.
Welcome to court, Ms. Martinez. The court marks you present. You're participating by video conference. As you can see and hear from your device, so is your lawyer. Is there any other person present on this case? Court finds no other persons are present. Mr. Chavarria, what is the announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. This is an application to probate a will as amendment of title to prove up.
Ms. Martinez, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You may lower your hand. Mr. Chavarria, go ahead.
Good afternoon, Ms. Martinez. Can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Monica Cruz Martinez.
And what was your relationship to the decedent?
I was his daughter.
He was your father.
Yes,
now,
correct.
Your father passed away May 1st, 2021, correct?
May
21st. I'm sorry.
May 21st. Yes, correct. 2021.
And he passed away in Laredo and Webb County, correct?
Yes.
Now he resided in this county, in Webb County, and had a fixed place of residence here in Texas, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And your father owned real and personal property with a probable value of around $200,000, correct?
Yes.
Now, your father did not receive Medicaid benefits on or after March 1st, 2005, correct?
Correct.
Now, your father executed a valid written will dated July 3rd, 2007, correct?
Yes.
And it was never revoked, correct?
Correct.
It was made, excuse me, it was made self-proved under section 251-104 of the Texas Estate Code, correct?
Yes.
Now, the subscribing witnesses to the will were Maria Yolanda Gonzalez and Julio C. Montenegro, correct?
Yes.
Now, in your father's will, he named Diamantina Sanchez Cruz to serve as independent executor, correct?
Yes.
Now, Diamantina Sanchez Cruz is now deceased, correct?
Yes.
And she passed away November 18th, 2019.
Yes.
Okay. Your father didn't have any children or adopt any children after the execution of the will, correct?
Yes, correct.
And your father didn't have any unpaid debts other than one secured by a lien on a real estate, correct?
Correct. Correct.
So there's no necessity for an administration of the estate, correct?
Correct.
Now, no marriages of your father were ever dissolved, correct?
Correct.
And Your father's will does not name the state of Texas, an agency of the state, or a charitable organization as a DIC, correct?
Correct.
And 4 years have not elapsed since the date of your father's passing and before the application, correct?
Correct.
Thank you. Your Honor, we ask that you take we ask that the court take judicial notice of the entire case file and admit this will as a muniment of title.
Ms. Cruz Martinez, at this time in your father's case, cause number 2025 PB 934L2, the court at this time finds that it has jurisdiction over this case, meaning this is the proper court form and venue to consider granting your request and admitting your father's will into probate as muniment of title. The court hereby takes judicial notice of the entire case file, which includes the original will, the original death certificate, the citation by posting, the citation by publication, and all of the contents of the court file. The court finds that your father passed away on the 21st day of May 2021 at the age of 71. The court finds 4 years have not elapsed since the passing of your father. The court finds that he left a will. It was unrevoked. No contest or objection has been made as to its probate. The court finds that you have testified as to everything and proven everything necessary for the court to grant your request. The court hereby grants your request, admits your father's will into probate as muniment of title. The court will sign an order right now to that effect.
Thank you, Judge.
The court has signed that order, and the court is tendering the original to the clerk's office. Do you have any questions for the court, Ms. Cruz Martinez?
No, I don't. Thank you, Your Honor.
Any other case? Yes, ma'am. You have the court's condolences.
Thank you.
Any other cases for Mr. Echavarria or Mr. Dickerson? Ms. Noriega?
Your Honor, if I may, only for this, I believe there was an unexecuted incorrect oath that was filed in this matter. And because it's a muniment of title, it would just be the oath on no debts against the state.
All right, so file that, Mr. Echavarria.
It's the oath. Okay.
All right, so that is due on or before?
January 26th, or before he's requesting any letters.
All right.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Any other cases for Mr. Echavarria or Mr. Dickerson? It's good to see you, counsel. Have a great year.
You too, Your Honor. Have a good day. Have a good year.
Thank you.
Council Rene Cantu, page 5, number 10.
This is in the matter of Alfredo Elizondo, cause number 2025 CVJ 2564C3. Good afternoon, Mr. Cantu.
Yes, Judge. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Court Martial present, you're participating by video conference. Are you Alfredo Elizondo?
Yes.
Welcome to court, Mr. Elizondo. The court martial present, you're participating by video conference. As you can see and hear from your device, so is your lawyer, Mr. Cantu. What is the announcement?
Yes, Judge. So we're here because Mr. Elizondo has petitioned the court for an occupational driver's license, Judge. I believe I've filed everything required. Mr. Elizondo has proof of his SR-22 insurance. I filed his affidavit. I filed the petition. I believe we filed it sworn and verified, notarized. I mean, I think everything we have along with his proof of employment. So I think we comply with everything. I want to see if I can go forward on it, Judge.
Mr. Elizondo, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Mr. Cantu, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Elizondo, one more time, can you please state your full name for the court?
Alfredo Elizondo.
And you're here because you're asking this court to grant you your petition for an occupational driver's license. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And in support of your petition, you've submitted a copy of your driving record, which we have attached to your petition as Exhibit A. Is that correct?
Correct.
And we've also established that there is an essential need for you to be able to drive so that you can operate your vehicle to and from work. And you're asking the court grant the petition Monday, basically Monday through Sunday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Is that correct?
Correct.
Are you aware that any violations of this schedule could result in consequences to this license? Do you understand that?
Correct. Yes.
Do you agree to abide by the schedule that you submitted to the court should the court approve your petition and abide by that schedule?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, once again, where do you work?
At GF Freight
Okay, and that's GF Freight is
Transportation.
transportation, and that's the company that you've stated in your affidavit and need for employment. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And because of your employment, you believe that that is an essential need for you to have this driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Judge, I'll move, Your Honor, to have the court grant the petition, Your Honor. I believe there's an essential need for him to do that for work purposes, and I've submitted his verification and the SR-22 insurance along with his driving record, Judge. And I believe I've met all the requirements to have it granted, Judge.
Was looking at this side, and every time I look to this side, it's because I'm reviewing the case file. I guess just one question, Mr. Cantu.
Yes,
I
sir.
thought I heard Mr. Elizondo say something different than what was filed, but the letter that was submitted by Mr. Elizondo says that he works Mondays through Friday, Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, and sometimes on Saturdays. But he testified here to something different.
What we've pled, Judge, is having the court approve it 8 to 8, Judge, Monday through Sunday. The reason for that, Judge, is because sometimes when he doesn't work, there are other errands that he needs to perform. There are other things that he has to do, whether work related or for other things to allow him to perform certain errands or personal errands. Some may be related to work, some may not. But for those reasons, we've asked that it be approved on the hours stated in the petition.
For the hours stated in the petition.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Elizondo, what counties for purposes of work do you drive in?
Webb County.
Only Webb County?
As of right now, yes.
Yes, the clerk's office. Is there a proposed order on file?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Elizondo, in your case, cause number 2025 CVJ 2564C3, the court finds that it has jurisdiction over this matter. The court finds, having reviewed your file and having taken judicial notice of the entire case file, and now also having heard your testimony, the court hereby grants a request will allow you to drive Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in Webb County. These are the orders of the court, and the orders are due on or before
January 26th at 12 noon by submission.
All right. The court has granted your request. Do you have any questions for the court, Mr. Elizondo?
No, Judge.
All right, I wish you well. Any other cases for Mr. Cantu?
No, Your Honor.
Good to see you, Mr. Cantu. Have a great day.
Yes, sir. And I'll go ahead and submit that order based on your ruling, Judge. I'll submit it by tomorrow, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate you very much.
Thank you, Judge. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge. Good seeing you.
Likewise.
Your Honor, I do show Ms. Soto's hand raised.
Ms. Soto, go ahead.
Misleading.
All right, I'm gonna ask court staff to take the device into a breakout room and to troubleshoot. Page and case.
I believe that is all for the attorneys online, Your Honor. We do have
Page 3, case 7, in the estate of Jose A. Montemayor III, cause number 2025, PB 714L2. Marta Peña Montemayor, or any person, any other person present, please step forward.
the awareness microphone.
Please step in front of the microphone.
That's okay. Here we go. Thank you.
Are you Marta Peña Montemayor?
Yes, sir, I am.
Welcome to court, Ms. Montemayor, the court martial president in person. Who are the two persons on your side?
They're both my sons.
All right.
Jose Montemayor, the older one. And the younger one is Oscar Montemayor.
Welcome to court, Jose and Oscar, the court martial president in person, joining your mother. Ms. Montemayor, I was reviewing the case file, and it looks like the court called this case for hearing November the 6th, 2025. No one was present. The court dismissed this case, and then subsequent to that, within the window that you were supposed to, you filed a request for the court to grant you a new trial, or I guess reinstate it as it were. What would you like to tell the court?
I apologize for not answering. I didn't see the email. I have been attending a therapy for my back.
Okay.
And so I apologize for that. And as soon as I saw it, I wrote that to please give me another chance to come and appear here before you.
I think that's a good request. Court hereby grants you a new trial. Give us a new trial setting, please.
Yes, Your Honor. And how much time?
Well, this is for letters, tests, from entry. Have all the requirements been met?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give us the very next available for approval.
Just be on the pro se or the attorneys.
First available, whatever it is.
First available. The first available, we can actually do January 20th, Your Honor, at 9 a.m.
I'll hear your case on that day. Do you have any questions for the court, Ms. Montemayor?
To bring anything that I think I filed everything I needed to file.
I
Your Honor, we don't have the order on file, the proposed order.
So an order that grants request.
Okay.
And bring that with you, or file it in before if you can.
So,
And then I'll put you and whoever you want under oath. You can present your case. All right.
see you
On the 20th at 9 a.m.
God willing. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
I wish you a good day.
Thank you.
Ms. Noriega, have all cases been called on today's docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
That now concludes this docket held in person and by video conference for Thursday, January 8th, 2026. The court continues to embrace the latest technology to provide safe and uninterrupted access to justice without delay. Today's docket was made possible by the appearance of counsel and parties and by the assistance, diligence, and preparation of the Webb County Court at Law 2 staff and the employees of Webb County that provide judicial support to the court. Thank our probate court investigator, the clerk, the county clerk's office, the district clerk's office, and the sheriff's office. The court thanks you all. Have a great day.